Don't let a broken-down tractor bring your harvest to a halt in Farming Simulator 25. When your trusty tractor starts showing signs of wear and tear, or worse, sustains damage from those tough farming jobs, it's time to get it back in shape first. Locate your damaged tractor and bring it back to your farm's main area, ideally near your workshop or a designated repair zone. Your first step is to assess the damage. Look for visual cues like smoke, dents, or missing parts, and check your in-game interface. You'll likely see a damage or health indicator for each vehicle to begin repairs. You'll need the right resources. This usually involves having specific repair items on hand, such as mechanical parts, oil, or even a dedicated repair kit. Depending on how Farming Simulator 25 handles its repair system, if your game features a dedicated repair shop or service vehicle, navigate your tractor to that location. Once at the repair station, you'll see an option to initiate repairs. This process might take some in-game time, and you'll often need to pay a fee, which reflects the cost of parts and labor. Keep an eye on the repair progress bar or animation. As the repairs complete, you'll see the damage indicators reset to their optimal state. Your tractor will return to its peak performance, with no more worrying about breakdowns at critical moments. Keeping your equipment in top condition is crucial for efficient farming, ensuring you can complete your tasks without interruption. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs will extend your tractor's lifespan and save you valuable in-game time and money. So, get out there and keep those tractors running smoothly in Farming Simulator 25.